today we're gonna make slime. So it will just be like something like this. Yup. Yeah. There. Can make cool shapes with it. Tada! Coral. Okay. So the first step is you need to take some glue, just like this, normal or clear. You open the cap like this, and then you need to always prepare a spoon. Or let me get tissue. Okay, so that we can put our spoon there so it won't get dirty my table. So just squeeze all that glue out of there. Just squeeze and then squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Just get every single glue out of there. Ooh. It's like farting. So if you want to make like the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle slime, I suggest clear glue, but this is just gonna be normal slime. So that I had some requests with my classmates to make slime. So yeah, here it is. If you're watching, hi. There. So right now we emptied up our glue bottle. We have this. So any color you want, you need to get food color. Wait, this might be blocking. Food coloring. You get one out. Put 5 drops. So if you're gonna have 2 packs, put 8 drops. If you're gonna have 3 blocks, you don't have to duplicate. If you're gonna add one more, like this, then it's gonna be 8. If you add one more, it will be 12, and then so on. Just add 3. So get 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So right now, we have this, but hey, it's not yet green. That's where your spoon is coming from. I was practicing making slime, so this spoon's dirty, which has some glue on it. Ew. Okay. Let's stir it so that it will become green. Green. Yay, green. Which represents turtles. Green represents 4 turtles. So, yeah. So now it's perfectly green. I'm tilting it fast because it's still liquid, not yet slime. Okay, so you need to get a paper towel or tissue like this so that you can put this on top of it so it will not stain your table. And just wrap the head. Then later you can unwrap it and clean your spoon. So next of all, this is the magical tool, Borax. It's a washing tool. You can get it anywhere. Maybe in the like a laundry section in the mall or something. But just find borax like this. So yeah, we need another spoon and another container. This container, let's fill it with water. So now we have water. And then next step is get your borax, get a Summit water or any bottle, and get a cup that's this size, and then pour all your borax there. Make sure it doesn't spill, and after using borax, make sure to wash your hands. It has some chemicals, but you still, that could happen. After that, you need to wash your hands. That ever you pour it into not the glue, but the water. So you get your other spoon, stir. Yeah, stir until the borax is gone or disintegrated, just keep on stirring. So stir, 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 stir. So yeah, the water will turn a little blurry, and that's all fine because borax is powder or whatever it is. It will make the water not clear. So that's it. So this is the last step, and you need to do this carefully. Your borax and water, your glue and food coloring. So this one, the borax and water, pour it into the glue solution. You can do this like just normal glue. You don't really need food coloring, but see, look at this. Okay, and then just tap it out, tap it out, tap, 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 and then you see these stuff, those like, it's already like, so those stuff are the slime. Yeah, the slime is the thing that you're looking for. So yeah, try to get all of them. The merrier. So yeah, you can like invite your cousins to come over to play with slime. They're very fun. Make sure you keep them inside the case or else they will dry up because they're glue. So you can get any container. I just use a plastic container because yep, it's just a waste. But you can't keep these slimes for a very good 1 or 2 months if you don't accidentally leave it outside the container. Yeah, let's get all of it. There. Get every single thing. So yeah, it's actually very fun. As you see, it will make slime that I told you. It is squishy, like that. Squeeze all the water so that it's clean, and squeeze all the borax out, because if you give this to babies, don't please mind that this is not edible because of the borax. As I told you, borax is not, you cannot eat it or drink it or whatever. So yeah, and then just drain all the excess water out. So there. If you get all the water out, your hands will not end up like this. So that if you play with it, it will not become like this anymore. Make sure all the glue is out of there. Like this is glue. You need to get that out. Okay. You just keep on squeezing it so that and then you can just dip it back in the borax. Put it back to your solution. You can make like the world's biggest slime. Okay. So that would be it, guys. Just empty off your bottle and then make sure you seal it with your container. So like this. So before I press the done button of the video, I will need to wash my hands. So just wait. I'll be back. Okay? Let me just wash my hands. There. So that would be it, guys. Have a fun day. Bye.